about one of the biggest fitness myths out there. Does creatine cause hair loss? Creatine is one of the most popular supplements for people looking to build muscle and boost workout performance. It helps fuel your muscles during high-intensity activity by increasing the availability of phosphocreatine, a key energy source. But while it's great for gains, some people worry it might be bad for your hair. So creatine making you bald? There's actually no solid evidence that creatine directly causes hair loss. The concern started with a small 2009 study on rugby players. It showed creatine use might increase DHT, a hormone linked to male pattern baldness. But here's the catch. The study only involved 20 participants, and none of them actually lost any hair. Plus, their DHT levels stayed within normal clinical limits. And here's an important point. If you're genetically predisposed to hair loss, elevated DHT might accelerate it. Kinesiologist Nicole Budani, a guest of the Hairs to You podcast, and someone with a background in athletic therapy weighed in on this topic. She says there's no strong link between creatine and hair loss. It doesn't significantly impact testosterone or DHT levels, and she hasn't seen any correlation between creatine use and hair loss in her experience. According to her, creatine mainly helps with muscle healing. I'll link the podcast in the description below so you can listen to it later. So if you're taking creatine responsibly, 3 to 5 grams a day, you're likely in the clear. Still worried? Talk to your doctor, especially if hair loss runs in your family. And if you're already experiencing hair loss or thinning, don't worry. Solutions are out there. Visit superhairpieces.com to explore natural-looking hair systems that can restore your confidence. Whether you're just starting to thin or dealing with advanced hair loss, they've got you covered. If this helped clear things up, hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk on hair, health, and fitness.